Your backyard can be more than just a yard. It can be a place where memories are made and good times are had. Whether you're looking to spend a little or a lot, with some tender love and care, you can transform your yard into a haven of your own.
Before you embark on your backyard transformation, it's essential to have a plan. Start by defining your budget and consider what you hope to accomplish. Here are some quick and budget-conscious ideas to transform your backyard. Apply grass seed to thicken your grass. Your grass will look lush and vibrant, helping your backyard stand out from what it was before. Plant a few flowers. Planting a variety of flowers will add color and life to your outdoor space. You can space them out along a path or leave them in floor pots. Look for online sales at hardware stores near you. Hardware stores will oftentimes have sales on tools, seeds, and outdoor furniture you can use for your backyard makeover. If you're ready to expand your budget a bit, consider some larger design elements. Let's begin your backyard makeover with the heart of outdoor living, the cooking space. From a simple barbecue on an existing patio to a full-blown outdoor kitchen, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination and budget guide you to create the perfect outdoor cooking area. After upgrading your cooking space, it's time to create a patio for dining and socializing. You can build a wooden deck, pour a concrete patio, or lay patio stones. To add flair, consider new outdoor patio furniture, cushions, or an outdoor carpet. A fire pit area can be a wonderful addition to your backyard makeover. Whether you choose to build your own fire pit using materials like old steel barrels, or bricks and mortar, or invest in a beautiful propane-powered fireplace, the warmth and coziness of a fire pit will create unforgettable moments. To enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your backyard, consider creating pathways. A well-thought-out path not only serves a practical purpose, but also adds beauty to your space. Choose from options like gravel paths or intricate ceramic tile designs to create an inviting atmosphere. Now that you have a vision for your backyard makeover, let your imagination and budget guide you. Whether you opt for budget-friendly ideas or decide to invest in bigger budget inspirations, your backyard will become an oasis where memories are made. So start planning, gather your tools and materials, and embark on this exciting project that will transform your backyard into a place you'll love for years to come.